Is your Honda Fit's alarm going off randomly? You're not alone. Many Fit owners, especially those with 2009 to 2014 models, experience this frustrating issue. The most common causes are faulty door switches, a misaligned hood latch, or a weak battery. Start by inspecting the door switches. These sensors tell the car if a door is open. Corrosion or wear can cause them to send false signals to the vehicle's body control module, triggering the alarm. Next, check the hood latch. If it's not properly aligned, it can trigger the alarm intermittently. Vibration or impact can cause this misalignment. Finally, a weak battery can cause voltage drops that mimic a tampering event, triggering the alarm. This is especially common in older models. Remember, Honda hasn't issued a recall for this, so DIY solutions or a mechanic visit are your best options. Let's fix this. For door switches, visually inspect them for corrosion and test with a multimeter for continuity. Replace any faulty switches, they're relatively inexpensive. To adjust the hood latch, loosen the bolts and realign the striker pin. Ensure it makes solid contact when the hood is closed. If your battery is old, try a reset. Disconnect it for 10 to 15 minutes. This clears the car's computer memory. You might need to reprogram your key fob afterward. Remember to check online forums and YouTube for detailed guides specific to your Fit's year. If all else fails, a mechanic can diagnose BCM issues or other electrical problems.